Perth is the capital city of Western Australia and is located on the west coast of Australia. The city is known for its stunning beaches, natural beauty, and vibrant cultural scene. Perth is also one of the most isolated cities in the world, with the nearest major city, Adelaide, being over 2,000 kilometers away. One of the main attractions of Perth is its stunning beaches. The city has over 19 beaches, each with their unique features and attractions. Cottesloe Beach, located in the western suburbs of Perth, is known for its crystal clear waters and pristine white sand. Scarborough Beach, located in the northern suburbs of Perth, is a popular destination for surfers and beachgoers alike. Visitors can also explore the nearby Rottnest Island, which is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Western Australia. Perth is also known for its stunning natural beauty, with several parks and reserves located throughout the city. The Kings Park and Botanic Garden is one of the most popular attractions in Perth and offers stunning views of the city skyline. Visitors can also explore the nearby Swan Valley, which is home to several wineries and breweries. In addition to its natural beauty, Perth is also known for its vibrant cultural scene. The Perth Cultural Centre is home to several museums and galleries, including the Art Gallery of Western Australia and the Western Australian Museum. The city is also home to several theatres and performing arts venues, including the Perth Concert Hall and the State Theatre Centre of Western Australia. Perth is also a great place to explore local cuisine, with a range of restaurants serving everything from traditional Australian dishes to international cuisine. Some of the must-try dishes in Perth include seafood, which is caught fresh from the Indian Ocean, and meat dishes such as kangaroo and emu. Finally, Perth is a great place to experience local festivals and events, with several events that are held throughout the year. Some of the most popular events include the Perth International Arts Festival, the Perth Royal Show, and the Perth Fringe Festival. Perth is a stunning city with a rich natural beauty, vibrant cultural scene, and delicious cuisine. It is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in exploring the culture and history of Western Australia, and it offers something for everyone, from beaches and parks to museums and festivals. Now let's enjoy.